Hi Lyceans! Want to stay on top of your deadlines, messages, and feedback? Let's take a look at the Snap Feed drawer, your go-to tool for staying updated. On your dashboard, head to the upper right corner and click this icon to open the Snap Feed drawer. You can open and close the Snap Feed anytime to check for updates or clear up your view. Inside, you'll find your deadlines, feedback from your teachers, messages, and forum updates all in one convenient place. Need to submit something? Just click on any item under Deadlines and you'll be taken directly to that activity, no need to search. You can also keep track of new messages, teacher feedback, and forum replies, perfect for staying connected and in the loop. And that's the Snap Feed drawer, Lyceans. A simple but powerful tool to help you stay organized, never miss a deadline, and keep in touch with your courses.